Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So guys, we have an opening from Capgemini to discuss in this video, that is for BCA, PSA students 2022 and also for engineering or MCA graduates 2022 passing out. Okay, so it's applicable for any specialization criteria. So please do watch this video to the very end to know about it and start your preparation and apply it at the earliest. Okay, so if you're very new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon as well. So once you activate the bell icon, please enable the option all so that you get the notifications regarding any kind of videos that we put forward. Okay, so let's start with the first one, that is the Capgemini Exceller Pooled Campus Drive for engineering or MCA graduates 2022 pass out. So here coming to the eligibility criteria. Yeah, we can see here this is only for 2022 pass outs. Okay, and MCA, BE, BTech, ME, MTech students are eligible. So MCA, BE and BTech, if you belong to any kind of specialization, then you can apply it in here. And if you are an ME, MTech student, then it is only open for the students specialized in information technology, information science and computer science. So students should have 60% and above in diploma, then graduation. That is, throughout your graduation, you should maintain 60% above or requiring CGPA. So when you calculate this in your graduation, you have to include all the 7 semesters for the engineering students. And if it is 6 semesters in total, you need to include all the 5 semesters. Okay, so you 2022 batches, BE, BTech, MCA, ME, MTech, whoever, you will be doing your final semesters now. So you need to calculate till your previous semester, every subjects. You cannot exclude any kind of subjects. You need to include all the subjects, all the semesters, and calculate the average. Okay, now candidate should not have any gap within an academic milestone, then should appear for 12th, candidate appeared for 12th twice will be considered provided both the mark sheets are available. Okay, that is, there are some conditions where you have attended the 12th standard board exams twice due to multiple like reasons, that can be your personal reason. So both mark sheet you need to provide. Okay, now candidates taking 5 years versus 4 years to complete B or BTech, then candidates choosing degree after diploma should not have any gaps between diploma and degree. Okay, so that is it, should not have any gap in academics. So that's what they're mentioning. So the conditions where you can get these gaps is if you are taking diploma after +2, there will be someone going for diploma and then for engineering. So there will be some gap after 12th, right? So you need to provide all the documents similarly. And if you have taken like 4 years, 5-year, 4-year course, if you have completed in 5 years, all those will be taken into account. Okay, now candidate should not have any backlogs at the time of appearing for the process. So now you're applying for the selection process. So at this time, you should not have any backlogs. If you had any backlogs and you have cleared it, it's fine. But if you still have some backlogs unclear, then you are not eligible for this drive. Then must be flexible to relocate to any Capgemini location, work across technology, domain, role, and should be ready to work in shifts if required. So you cannot choose in a domain, or you cannot choose your location. It's completely up to the company policy. They'll put you in any location across India, wherever the Capgemini company is available, and the domain they'll assign you, and you have to work on that. Okay, now should be open to sign the service agreement the time of joining. So they haven't mentioned about the duration of the service agreement, but there is service agreements. If you're willing to go with that, you can try this. Now, only shortlisted candidates will be invited for the test assessment of the selection process. Now, entire selection process from test to interview will be done in virtual mode. Then candidates will be responsible for arranging the required infrastructure for the selection process. Now, candidates who have already attempted Capgemini Campus 2022 assessment process will not be eligible to apply and will not further proceed. Okay, so if you have already appeared for this, then you are not eligible. And if you are yet to apply for this, you can go with it. Okay, now the last day to register for this is on 15th of December, and the assessment, that is the first round, will start by 18th of December. Okay, so you have immense time to apply, but don't delay, just apply it at the earliest. So this is the assessment process in total in general. So first you have a technical assessment, that is pseudocode session, and after that selected candidates will go to the other, that is multiple choice questions based English communication test, and next will be the game based aptitude session. Next is the behavioral competency profiling, Finally, you will have technical and HR interview. So you need to go through 5 different selection process to go for this. Okay, so that's it. And they have mentioned only those candidates who have cleared the test assessment, step 1 to step 2, will be invited for the interview. So this is it, step 1 to step 3. This is this filtration process. Now, the behavioral profiling module is for understanding the native profile of the candidate, for which we will share a work style report with the students who complete the behavioral profile module. So this is to understand your behavioral aspects. Now, please note, receiving the behavioral work style report does not confirm the clearance of the test assessment. Okay, so if you are done with these many steps, like till step 3, so 1, 2, 3 are the steps that is having the crucial points. So if you done with it, then you will receive a work style report to perform this 4th step. So if you have received that, it doesn't mean that you have selected to it, and after that also according to this, they have the right to cancel or select the like candidature. Okay, now just step 1, click on the link to complete the registration, then apply for the job, then submit the application. So this is the steps that you have to take care of. So to know more about the company and everything, you can just go through these details they have mentioned just above. Now to register for that, you can click on this register now button and continue with the application process. Okay, so you need to apply it in here, and here they have mentioned the CTC provided. So this is the CTC provided 4 lakhs per annum. Now salary breakup or additional information will be one-time incentive. One-time incentive is to 25K to be paid for the candidates after completion of 1 year in the organization. Okay, so that's it. And they have mentioned the same eligibility criteria kind of things again, once again here. So if you have any further doubts, you can just refer to that. And here you are registering with the Superset, so you can enter your mail and complete the selection process. So if you have already a profile under Superset for applying to multiple companies, then this will help you that those profile you can apply it in here, or else you can start a fresh new profile. So these are the steps you have to complete while you've started fresh. So first will be the basic details. You need to fill all your basic details, your name, college information, family details, everything, and go for the save and next. And next will be the contact information, that is your address and everything. Next comes the most recent education, that is your UG. So this is particularly for BE, BTech, MCA, and ME, MTech students. So your graduation details, your scorecard, your marks for all the semesters, and the year of passing out and everything. Okay. And next is a previous education, that is a 10, 12 diploma or whatever. So that information also you need to provide. Now the internship and work experience. So if you have any internships provided, you can give that. And there's a section for work experience, but if you're a fresher, obviously you can skip that section. Next is a profile photo and document. That is, you need to upload a profile photo. So go for a passport size photo that is having a plain white background, will be best fit for that. And or you have some professional photo, formal photos, you can go for that as well. And documents will be, you need to upload your resume. So resume part, just customize your resume, just update your resume and apply it in here. Okay, so this is about the opening available for Capgemini for 2022 students, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, and MCA. So now let's move on to the other, which is the same drive for BCA and BSc graduates passing out in 2022. So moving on to the eligibility criteria, they have mentioned here candidates graduating in 2022 alone, and qualification is BCA or BSc, open for computer science, information technology, electronics, statistics, mathematics branches only. Okay, so here they have mentioned the branch criteria. So if you belong to these many branches, then you can apply it in here. Should have 55% and above in graduation till the 4 semesters or 2 years. Okay, so you'll be in your final semesters in a final year now. So might be for most of them your semester grade card or the 4th semester results will be on hold. So they are asking only till the 4th semester, the first 2 years. So 55% is what they're expecting. So if it is in CGPA criteria, 55% or equivalent CGPA. Okay. Now, should be open to sign a 2-year service agreement at the time of joining. Then must be flexible to work in any Capgemini location across technology or domain, and should be flexible to work in shifts as well. Now, candidates should have not more than 1 year of gap between 12th and graduation. So if you have any bit gaps between 12th and graduation due to personal reasons, it's completely fine, but not more than 1 year. Okay. Now candidates appeared for 12th twice will be considered provide both the mark sheets are available. So if you have attended your 12th examination twice, then you need to provide both the mark sheets while the time of applying for this job, by the registration time. Okay. Now, candidates should not take more than 3 years to complete BCA or BSc. That's one of the mandatory criteria. That is, you should not have any backlogs at the time of applying for this. Now, should not have any backlogs at the time of appearing. Then shortlisted candidates will be invited for the test assessment and selection process. Entire selection process will be done in virtual mode. So you have to make sure you have all the equipments or the computer, network facility, everything to attend the same. Okay. So one more thing that they have mentioned is that they have mentioned in both of the opening available, that is entire selection process. Only shortlisted candidates will be invited for the test assessment and selection process. That is, once you apply for this, they will review your application and they will send the mail for the selection process. Okay. So it is not like whoever applied will be getting the opportunity for the selection process. They'll review and select you accordingly. Okay. So this is how it works. Now you can see, to apply for that, you can click on this register now button. Now the last day to apply is on December 12th. And these are the steps. So here it is only 4 steps to go. First one is multiple choice question based English communication test and game based aptitude test. And next will be the behavioral competency profiling, and next the interview process. Okay, so these are the 4 steps that you'll be going through. And you can see it in here, the 15th December is the last date, and for BCA and BSc, it is the 12th December. And you have only 4 rounds to go. Now you can see only those candidates who have cleared the test assessment, that is 1 step to 2nd step, will be invited for the interview. And the behavioral profiling modules is for understanding the native profile of the candidate. And it doesn't mean that if you have got a work style or if you have selected for the behavioral competency, you have went through. Okay, that's also one more important thing. Now to apply for that, you can click on this register now. So this is also registered with a superset. So the same details they have mentioned here, and you can see the CTC provided. It is 2.75 lakhs per annum, and the same details they have mentioned here. If you want to cross check, you can go with that as well. Now you can click on the apply now button and you have to use the mail ID for the same. Okay, so you can type your email address it in here. And if you have already registered to the superset, you already a profile is there for applying for some other companies, you can use the same profile and click on the apply now. And if you don't have, I'll show you how you have to fill your details and how you have to fill your complete the registration process. So again, it's a pretty same procedures, like your basic information, your graduation details, your internship details, resume, profile picture, everything. The registration process is pretty same with this. The same process you need to take care of. So apply it at the earliest. So I think all the CTC details, the eligibility criteria, selection process, everything is pretty much clear to you. So apply it, and soon after, like 1 or 2 days after the application deadline is done, they will start sending the online assessment links. So just don't wait for that. You just apply it and start your preparation, so you'll get through it. Okay, so this is about it. So whoever is go 2022 batches is around you, share this video among them so they can also make use of the opportunity. So that's all for today. If you have any further doubts, please do let me know in the comment section, and suggestions regarding the video content, welcome to the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.